The servicing costs are pretty minimal, really. I think that it's probably lower than what we used to spend on the herringbone sheds. So in terms of the finances, I think really our robots have already paid for themselves.
I think, like many people, we just assumed it was out of reach for us, that it was some sort of luxury. And when we looked at the price and looked at what it would have cost us to build a brand new conventional dairy, there wasn't a lot of difference at all. And I think we were quite surprised at that.
Yeah, the turning point had to be something about a dairy, and the cost was pretty similar to going into another herringbone. And yeah, we've sort of had a look at it over the last couple of years, and yeah, the cost wasn't much different.
When we did look into going robotic, we did look into a rotary or a new herringbone, and the price was very similar. We've got the old retrofit cowshed here, and it's worked perfect. You know, if you don't need the great big $1 million barn, little retrofit cowshed works a treat for us, and I think that's what makes it quite unique. It's just slotted into what we had existing.
So the costing of the robots versus conventional farming is it's much the same, to be honest. I think that electricity use, we got it metered on farm when we had the rotary, and we got it metered when we had the robotics, and the power consumption, the actual kilowatts used was nearly identical per cow. But in a rotary, it peaks and troughs, obviously, when you start in the morning and when you start at night. And with the robotics, it's very linear. And that's why we've got the solar system put in now, which has brought our electricity costs right back, because the solar system, throughout the day, it's making power all day, and we're consuming that power all day. So our conventional dairy as well, we used 20 to 30,000 litres of water a day for hosing out. In our new farm here, and the new dairy with the robotics, we use maybe 3,000 litres a day, so our water consumption is cut right back.
Financially, we're sort of getting through paying them off fairly rapidly because they are profitable. And I think that for us at least, the huge benefit of the robots will be once they're paid off in a couple of years' time, we're not paying any staff and we're not paying any robots off. So I think once you get to that point, dairy farming can be highly profitable, and the machines are proving themselves to be very durable. So we think that that's something that we can probably achieve.